Just eat my fingers. You just love trying to eat me, don't you? What's your favorite thing, Coda? Trying to eat me? You're a fucking asshole. Coda's a fucking asshole. Yeah. But I still love you. I still love you. Look at you go. You're tearing it. Tear it. Tear it. Tear it. Eat the skin. Yes. Don't be scared of the dog. It's not going to hurt you. Hi, Coda. Aren't you cute? Aren't you cute? Yeah, I can't let you go because you're going to fly around. Man, you're really trying to get me. Does it taste good? Do you like eating human? Look at you go, just picking at my skin. Vicious. Vicious. Super vicious.